Menci apa-apa cincin camlukan. Amin.
Special guest, Wino, Yebio, Bursa, Amikhan Hoke, Village Council Bra, Abanakan Logode, Alumaro, Kushitana Diasi. Sirni Kibra, Sirajizabra, Sir Sapura, East, Bra, Yamanjun, National Khan, Aji, Brogante, then Guru Barisha, Amikhan, Hoke, Village Council Bra, Abin.
Good morning to you all. Respected Chairperson, most respected our honored guest special, Teacher Noveno, President APONS team colleagues, all the dignitaries on the dais. In order to save time, I want to address my most respect goes to all the national workers who are here today along with us and a TP movement for sovereignty or independence came into unadministered free area. In 5th 1952, I was appointed as the regional president of NNC in a sessional meeting held at Kiwi village. On 9th of August 1954, as a visual at Moslow village and convinced me to join the freedom movement. Pizzo explained that the fight for sovereignty cannot be a freedom fight. I assured him that we would not only defend my people, but also help liberate the other Nagas who are already under the administrative domain of the Indians. Sometime between October and November 1954, the following persons were appointed as volunteers to lead the movement for our territory. Let Awashe Kijigiro village, Mr. Lakum Tashir village, let Makam Shibungra village, let Yamakam Shibungra village, let Kimusu Kijiguru village, let Shador village, Mr. Kuji Jimguru village, Mr. Tanso Bukpur village, M. Lakam of Tashir village. In this attack, 3 Indian soldiers were killed and many wounded. A similar attack was also launched at Kifri military outpost under the leadership of Mr. Tanso Libikyu and Ahoshe of Bukpur village as directed in the meeting. NSCN K Niki NSCN U Nukbo NSCN U Kidovi NSCN K Loenba Isaac NSCN K Kango NSCN K Yuang Roy Amigando NNC lagado disi baza kaidura president NNC Bungudo NNC Shoba NNC Waling NNC Adino NNC Shilu Longomar